What the Tech is sponsored by EPB Fiber Optics. Visit EPB.com to find the speed you need on Chattanooga's only 100% fiber optic network.
Are you gearing up for spring cleaning? You know, the usual dirty windows, cluttered closets, and storage rooms. Yeah, but a hidden space could probably use some attention too.
And Jamie Tucker has some ideas on cleaning up that mess that's been piling up behind your computer desk.
Oh, you probably don't have as many wires on your computer as I do, but still probably more than you'd like. I had to make a list. I have 12 things that require power to be plugged into electricity and 12 things that have to be plugged into the computer.
Things that need to be plugged into an outlet include the computer, desk, monitor, speakers, and hard drives. While the camera, microphone, and card reader need to be connected to the computer, along with a few other things. For safety reasons, we'll turn off the computer and unplug it. The easiest way to get rid of a couple of wires is a wireless keyboard and mouse that use only a USB port. I picked up 2 power strips, and these wire racks hang on the back of the desk to hold power supplies. I also picked up one of these USB hubs. It has 15 USB inputs for everything you need to connect to the computer. You plug those in here, and only one cable needs to plug into the computer. You can attach these clips anywhere on or under the desk, and this magnetic cable holder can keep cords from cluttering your desktop. And zip ties will keep cords at a minimum. Wrap them up, snap off the excess. Once I have everything plugged into the USB hub and the power strips, I'll attach the wire hangers to the back of the desk. Here's what the back of my desk looked like before and what it looks like now.
You're not going to get rid of every cable, of course, but remember, I have about 24 things plugged into either electricity or the computer or both. If you have less than that, yours is going to look a lot better than this. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.
Thank you, Jamie. And for safety reasons, he says before you tackle this project, turn off the computer. In fact, don't stop there, unplug it too.